about the neighbor's tree?
That cut it down. No.
The root's already infiltrated.
Yeah.
Well, what do you do to clear that?
That's a great question. So hydrojetters can clear up roots depending on how bad they are. We have things that are called descalers that use chains with cutting heads on them now. There's just so many different ways we can attack it. The descaler is really, really cool because we talked about all those rust bumps on the cast iron just a little bit ago. You know, with the proper access and with the proper technician, you can actually grind those rust bumps off, creating a smooth surface in the sewer lines again.
I wouldn't want that job.
No, it takes a while.
I would not want the liability of them. You've really got to learn that touch.
And that's why I said the proper technician.
I know. You were very careful. You were very careful. But that's a learned skill. You don't just attack that 40-year-old cast iron.
Absolutely. There's a couple companies in town that they don't do the work for homeowners, but they specifically train people how to use that style of equipment. And if they're in business, staying in business, you know, that means that they're teaching it. There's a reason. And anyone that just grabs a piece of equipment, if they can afford the piece of equipment, you wouldn't want to just go at it. One, it could get stuck, it could break things. There's a lot of different things that could happen. Last thing you want to do is hurt yourself.